All right, have you ever seen a dance trend blow up and thought, man, I wish I could do that, but maybe you feel like you've got two left feet? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to clone any dance you find online using AI. We're talking a pro-looking video in just a few minutes, and the best part, it's totally free. So let's get right into it.
Seriously, just picture it. You're scrolling through TikTok, you see that one dance everyone's doing, and you're thinking, I want in on that. But what if you could do it without spending hours practicing? I mean, what if you could create that exact video, but with any character you want? That's the power of AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done.
Okay, first things first. Step one is all about finding your moves. Before the AI can do its thing, we've got to give it some raw material, a blueprint to follow. This is the foundation for the whole project, so let's make sure we nail it.
It's super simple. Just find that dance you want to copy, whether it's on TikTok, Reels, wherever, and download the video straight to your phone. This little clip is what we'll call our reference video. It's basically the master copy for the AI. Once you've got that saved, you're ready for the really fun part.
All right, so you've got your dance clip saved and ready to go. Now it's time to bring in the AI. The tool we're going to be using is called Pixverse AI. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire setup click by click.
So here's a quick peek of what's coming up. We'll hop over to the Pixverse site and get logged in. Then we'll upload that dance video we just saved. After that, we get to create our new dancer, which is super cool. And finally, we'll tweak just 2 little settings to get it looking perfect. See? It's honestly that easy.
Okay, so open up Chrome on your phone and head over to Pixverse AI. Now listen up, because here's a super important tip. You're going to want to enable desktop mode in your browser settings. The regular mobile site, it can be a little clunky, but desktop mode, it gives you all the features you need and makes this whole thing way, way smoother. Trust me on this one.
And get this, as soon as you log in with your Gmail account, bam! Pixverse hooks you up with 90 free credits to start playing around with. That's more than enough to create a bunch of these videos without ever touching your wallet. No credit card, no funny business, just free credits.
Okay, so once you're logged in, you'll see a video tab. Go ahead and click that. Now look for an option that says Swap. That's our magic button. This is where we're going to upload our reference dance video. When you click it, it'll just open your phone's gallery so you can pick the clip. Now this is where you get to be creative. You've got 2 choices here. You can either upload a photo of yourself or maybe a friend, or you can generate a totally new character right from scratch. All you have to do is type a description, like the example here, and the AI will cook up a unique dancer just for you. Seriously, the possibilities are pretty much endless. We're almost there. Just 2 really quick settings to check. First, for the aspect ratio, you're going to want to choose 9:16. That's the perfect vertical format for TikTok and Reels. Then, for resolution, just pick 540p. That's the highest quality you can get for free, and honestly, it looks amazing on a phone screen.
And that's it for the setup. Can you believe it? We've given the AI the dance, we've given it the dancer, and we've set the right format. Now for the moment of truth, let's actually create this video.
Go ahead and hit that Create button. Right now, the AI is doing its thing. It's analyzing every single frame of that original dance, and it's painstakingly mapping each and every movement onto the new character you designed. This is where the technology is just, wow. It's pure magic.
And check it out. Here's the result. The AI has perfectly cloned the movements, the timing, the whole vibe of the original dance. But now it's your custom character doing it. Seeing the before and after side by side is just incredible, right? So once your video is all done and ready, you'll just see a little download icon. Tap that, and it'll save straight to your phone. From there, it's ready to upload, ready to share it with the world. It really is that simple.
Okay, so you now know the entire process, from start to finish. But to help you get the absolute best results, let's just talk about a couple of pro tips and what you should really expect from this AI.
So here's the most important thing to remember. Think of this AI as a dance cloner, not a perfect face swapper, okay? It will copy the dance moves, the body, and the clothes, which is crazy precision. But the facial features, they might not be a perfect one-to-one match, especially if you upload a photo. That's okay though, because the real mind-blowing part is seeing your character perfectly nail that dance. That's what makes this so cool.
And that's a wrap. A super powerful AI tool that puts literally every viral dance trend right at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Go give it a try. The only question left is, what dance are you going to create first?